Mean time between failure, MTBF, is a key metric used in reliability engineering to assess the expected time between the failures of a system, component, or equipment. It is an important measure of reliability and is widely used in various industries such as manufacturing, telecommunications, and transportation. MTBF is calculated by dividing the total operational time of a system by the number of failures that occur within that time period. The result is a measure of the average time a system can be expected to operate before experiencing a failure. MTBF is typically expressed in units of time, such as hours, days, or years, depending on the application. The concept of MTBF is based on the assumption that failures occur randomly and independently over time. This means that the probability of a failure remains constant throughout the operational life of the system. However, it is important to note that MTBF is a statistical measure and does not guarantee that a system will operate without failure for the calculated time period. MTBF can be used to compare the reliability of different systems or components, as well as to identify areas for improvement in the design or maintenance of a system. It is also used to estimate the availability of a system, which is the probability that it will be operational at any given time. There are several factors that can affect the MTBF of a system, including the quality of its components, the operating conditions, and the maintenance practices. For example, a system that is exposed to harsh environmental conditions or subjected to heavy use may have a lower MTBF compared to a similar system operating in more favorable conditions. In addition to MTBF, other related reliability metrics include mean time to failure, MTTF, mean time to repair, MTTR, and availability. MTTF measures the average time until a failure occurs, while MTTR measures the average time required to repair a failed system. Availability is the probability that a system is operational at any given time, taking into account both the MTBF and MTTR. It is important to note that while MTBF is a useful metric for assessing the reliability of a system, it has certain limitations. For example, it does not take into account the severity of failures or the impact they may have on the overall operation of a system. Additionally, MTBF calculations may be influenced by factors such as maintenance practices and data collection methods. Despite these limitations, MTBF remains an important tool for reliability engineers and maintenance professionals to assess and improve the performance of systems and equipment. By understanding the factors that influence MTBF and implementing strategies to increase it, organizations can enhance the reliability and availability of their assets, leading to improved operational efficiency and reduced downtime. In conclusion, mean time between failure, MTBF, is a critical metric for assessing the reliability of systems and equipment. By calculating and analyzing MTBF, organizations can identify opportunities to improve the performance and availability of their assets, ultimately leading to enhanced operational efficiency and customer satisfaction.